So where are you from, bro? Where are you from?
From Malaysia.
From Malaysia. So you arrived here. When did you arrive here in the Philippines?
What did you write?
When did you arrive? You came here
I arrived last 2 days ago.
last 2 days.
Yes.
From Malaysia. How much is the fare? Airplane fare. How much?
How much? How much maybe? Ticket. Is it? Ticket. 8,000.
8,000. You came here alone. Your group. Only.
800 USD.
So your group just voluntarily came here.
Yeah.
Nobody managed you.
His assistant, coach. Assistant.
So the
5 riders, 3 coach.
the race will be starting on Saturday, right? Saturday and Sunday. So what's your name, bro?
My name is Sunny.
Sunny. So Malaysia team, good luck on Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah.
So were you guys here last MTB race?
Yes.
Yes, you're here. So last time I was also here. I also took some videos.
This second time we come.
So this is our guys from Malaysia. Thanks to you, bro.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
So where are you from, sis?
From San Miguel.
San Miguel. Are you going to join the race too?
No.
No, you just came here. So are your friends going to join? So what's your name, sis?
Diana Krish Tumalay.
So do you know one of the SB members there in San Miguel named Frin Sales? He was my classmate before from CPU. Frin Sales. So good luck to your race on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, good luck. So hello guys, where are you from, guys?
I'm from Antipolo.
Antipolo.
Yeah.
So you were also here last time, right?
Yes, sir.
Last MTB race here in Pasig. So right now you're going to practice
Yes, we're done. We already had 3 laps.
3 laps.
That's fine. That's very good for today.
So are there more countries coming here?
yes, I think it's Japan, Indonesia.
Japan also
and,
coming.
Yeah, Malaysia.
Malaysia right
Yeah.
there.
Japan, Malaysia, and Indonesia, I think so.
I thought the game would start today, but
No.
it will be on
28, 29, and 30.
28 tomorrow.
29, 30.
29:30.
Tomorrow's, I think it's gonna be just a program. Starting program.
Okay, this your bike is nice, sis.
Thank you. Lexon. Ashley, English ha? English. Ikaw na bala dyan.
Pa
Dami na ito na. Tama na yan. XM ata yun na nila laruan. Nakim na ito.
Okay, good luck sa practice ah.
Thank you po.
Aku kan ini akun bata.
Bro, where you from, bro?
Philippines.
Philippines. Thank you. So guys, can you give example of Malaysian? What's your message to Malaysian people?
Message to Malaysian people. Bolehlah datang lagi.
Dia tak puasa.
You speak Malaysian? You speak Malaysian?
Tim Malaysia tolong datang Pasir City untuk race kat sini. Kita meramaikan. Kita support event diorang akan support event kita. Yeah, thank you.
So what about you, bro? Your message to Malaysian people?
Malaysian people. Puasa, jangan tak puasa. Selamat Hari Raya.
Thank you.
Fly. Nampak sedap lah. Budak dia orang ada ready. Dia dah
My cellphone is overheating, bro.
Yeah.
I need to go here.
Yeah.
So where you from, bro? Where you from?
Iloilo.
Iloilo. You're going to join? No, you just came here to practice. Can I ask you, sis, where you from?
Saraga.
Where?
Saraga.
I can what?
Saraga.
Saraga. So you have lots of catfish there. So you're going to join on Saturday and Sunday.
Dua-dua pa. Dua-dua pa.
Okay, what's your name?
Shane. Shane Christine Supervisoso.
What's your message to people of Saraga?
Patayo lang sa pagmay. Practice naman yun.
Okay.
Ano na, mo?
Thank you.
Thank you, ta.
Sinapod mo?
Matututanay din ano mo?
Sinapod mo? Sinapod mo?
Ako lang sa... Ah, dito ko. Galing dyan tarang turo.
Ikaw?
Yan ang turo. Tignan mo. Bakit siya muna dalhin na?
Susupok. Sa kuras ka ito lang ni.
Pwede na agad ko siya. Aga pa ako. Karoon pa ko muna.